Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Instagram to Facebook page. First of all, open the Instagram application. You need to convert your Instagram account to a professional account to connect it to your Facebook page. So navigate to the profile section from the bottom right corner. Tap on the hamburger icon available at the top right side. In the settings and activity, scroll down and under the for professional section, you will find the option of account type and tools. Tap on it. After that, tap on the option switch to professional account. Then tap on continue on the next few steps. Now you have to select any category from the following according to your requirement. Then tap on done. After that, select either of these options and tap on next. On the next screen, tap on continue. Now here are 7 steps for setting up the professional account. After going through them, tap on the done option at the bottom and your account will be converted to a professional account. Now close the Instagram application and open the Facebook application. On the home screen, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right side. Now tap on the profile icon in front of your account name. Your Facebook page will open. Tap on the profile icon at the top right side. Now tap on the settings gear icon. Settings and privacy will open. Scroll down and under the permission section, tap on the linked accounts option. Here you will see Instagram. Tap on the view option in front of it, then tap on connect account. Next tap on continue. Your Instagram application will open. Enter your Instagram's account email and password here and your account will be linked. And this is how you can connect Instagram to Facebook page.